The pattern. Take first, transfer the pattern on the material, so on the shoulders and on the lateral parts. So with up and down stitch, the hair of the fur is too long, so I cut the hair. Let's make a belt. Open the jump ring. Insert the clasps and the chain. Close the jump ring. Cut the chain if it's too long. I hope it will snow soon. We will make a snowman, a big snowman. Of course. I love the snow. Bye guys, see you soon.